Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, faces of a cube are marked with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If two views of cube are as shown below, what will be there on the face opposite to face 4? Now, in the given two waves, no number is common. We can observe here there is a no number which is common. Therefore, relative information is not known. Is not known, and we cannot determine opposite faces with these two views. Cannot determine opposite faces. With this two views. So our correct option is here, option D, cannot be determined.